Hello guys, in today we're going to show you 5G in Pakistan, 5 things that you should need to know about the 5G in Pakistan. So guys, let's go. So first of all, 5G is a long way away and even longer way away in Pakistan, but with the eventually already on the horizon. Here is what you need to know about this explosive new technology and just when you and what it could do. So first of all, we're going to show you the next generation of mobile internet is almost upon us, and unlike fifth generation where 5G internet actually exists. So they're saying the next generation that's upcoming of the mobile internet is almost upon that almost came in the world, and unlike fifth generation that we call fifth generation, 5G internet actually exists. 5G internet also exists with this generation. 5G internet actually exists. Zong and Jazz have already conducted 5G speed tests. Zong and Jan, there are two networks in Pakistan. They already have conducted speed test, and now other Pakistan has also allowed non-commercial trial in line with policy directly from the government of Pakistan. So next one they are saying, but spoiler alert, this might not be as big of the deals, and when 3G and 4G waves they hit the country out, at least before this new bandwidth internet usage was different in the country, and mobile data was a remote concept. It has been the rise of the 3G and 4G that has allowed a proliferation of such things as Google Maps and ride-hailing apps. It seems Nationalizing as revolutionary as 3G and 4G might have been. Most people, is possession of smartphone have gotten used to a new spectrum of communication. Their conception of the 5G technology is that it will be faster for the 4G streaming with better upload and download speed. However, there are other implications to this new technology, including technical differences and possible requirements for usage that will have a resulting impact not only on our telecommunication but also on the aspects of our society. Next one, they're saying to this and Prophet wanted to do what of 5G internet or sort of the basic crash course into the technology and all that came with it to debunk a few myths regarding 5G estimators, expected the launch series, possible health impacts and potentially tricky socio-political impacts of 5G technology in Pakistan. We sat down with technical experts dealing with mobile phone technology from telecom companies and government departments took account of reports and information announced by PDA means Pakistan Telecommunication Authority, because everyone has his telecommunication authority and consulted technology. I've continued to learn more about fifth generation of wireless technology. A report published by NAS Corporation Group in the European United titled EU Coordinated Risk Assessment of the Cybersecurity of 5G network was also consulted, along with the expectation of the review from the general citizens. Next one that they're saying the day of the land. 1 August 2009, China Mobile Pakistan CM Park Long conducted Pakistan first 5G trial on the first official 5G video call testing on the January 6, 2020, reaching the accelerating speed over the 1.5 gigabytes per second, 1.5 GB per second speeds. More on what 1.5 GB mean. A video call telecom operator Jazz Pakistan Mobile Communication Limited follow suit on the unit for 2000. They got 1.43 GB per second speed. Imitates the rising competitive head between the two operators. The Ministry of the Information Technology and Communication announced on the January 7 formation of a committee for the action of the 5G spectrum licensing in the country. From all the telecom operators in Pakistan, Jazz is on regular even and will have members of the ministry and an officer of the frequency allocation board. Next one that they're saying after testing 3 days later on January 10, Pakistan Telecommunication Authority has issued framework for the testing development of the future technology, particularly fifth generation wireless networks in Pakistan, along all non-commercial trials of 5G under limited environment for 6 months. It's from that they're saying main point, but for the people licking for their lips and getting ready To take out 5G as soon as possible, we will have some bad news. If you are expecting 5G technology to be up and running in Pakistan in a matter of weeks and months, you will mistaken despite the grand promises from this new technology. Even United States only have 5G coverage in 25. There is one of the top candidates of 5G available now. Some of the candidates for 4G instead and 5G services in China. 50 cities have 5G coverage. So guys, this is all the information about 5G internet. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, then press the like button and kindly leave your own comment in our comment box, and kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest video notification. Thank you.